I'm Mr.D'Lish, as most people know me, and right now we're gonna be making some air baked fried wings. You wanna set your air fryer to 400 degrees for 25 minutes. 400 degrees at 25 minutes. I just now already washed the wings in a bowl here. We got the wings there. These are different seasons. I got garlic powder, I got my black pepper, I got Italian, I got seasoning salt, I got adobo, and I got the little orange pack of adobo. You want to season those in. All the different seasonings you want to place in. Once it's in a bowl, you just go ahead and mix them all up. Mix all the seasoning up so it gets all over the place. And you still want to throw a little bit more seasoning in. Okay, you already heard the thing beep, so that means it's time to start placing them in. You just place them in like so. They all filled in there, and all you gotta do is just throw it back in there. Okay, it reached about the 10-minute mark. Usually it rains for me, but this time for some reason it didn't rain for me. So what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna just flip these over. Okay, and then you're gonna let them cook for another 10 minutes. The first was 15 minutes, now it's going into the 10-minute range now. Okay, the wings are done, and as you can see, they look nice and crispy and everything. And also, like I say, even if I bite one, you can see that's all the way cooked inside, cooked all the way through, and that's just a good wing. In your meantime, visit us at www.delish1.com, and you could try out some of my amazing buffalo chicken wing dip, the first on this market. I'm Rich Davis. Have a good day.